Hey guys, how you going? Matty Byrner here for Bird Productions. I thought I'd just do a bit of a review on the OZTRAIL Shower ensuite. What better setting than setting up here in the actual suite itself. The reason I'm doing this is I jumped online prior to buying this and there wasn't any really good content on the actual shower product itself. So I'll go through, we'll shoot a bit of a some of the features, the key features of this, and then you guys can have a bit of a look and make your mind up for yourself. I hope it helps someone out if they're going to go purchase the OZTRAIL shower ensuite. And by no means at all am I sponsored by OZTRAIL. I've just done this purely out of the goodness of my own heart, just so you can have a bit better look at the actual ensuite itself. So let's get into it. So we'll look at the construction. It's got a little dome top there. You can see it sits just off the actual main structure. It's got 4 poles to set up. I would strongly recommend following the instructions. I set this up yesterday and it was quite windy. 4 pegs in the bottom. I've put my own mat in. I've got a water tub there, as you can see. That's a 10-litre water tub. I use this just to limit my water, and it's easy to pour hot water into it that you boil off the fire or whatever, so you can have a hot shower. Right behind that's a little input for the shower area. That's where you can put your power. I've just got the 12-volt camping shower set up. The switch in the corner. A good little feature of this is it's got the actual shelf here that outlooks out over the beautiful view there. That shower little recess area can be closed if you want. I've got it open. I'm not going to give up a good view like that. Off to the left here, I've set up a bit of a towel rack. It just hangs off there. And again, you've got the dome up here. I've got a little light hanging off up the top there, just at night time. As you step out, we'll go around some of the features. It comes with these yellow pegs, as you can see here. It's pretty standard to set up. I've got my power outlet coming out the side here, which I just go into the side of the Ford Ranger, straight to the side of the Ford Ranger, and it powers this bad boy. I've kept any of the spare water at the back there, and then you can see the shelf when it comes out. As I said, it was pretty windy yesterday, so I've just used those logs to set that up. So there you have it, folks. The OZTRAIL camping shower setup. As well, guys, we'll just go through how it closes up, what it looks like when it's closed up. It's quite simple. It's just a zip around. And that's it closed.